Hello mga ka-travels! Kamusta na mga travels natin dyan? And saan na ba ang next destination? Actually, meron tayong nare-receive na mga messages asking kung ano ba yung mga procedure and requirements when you're traveling outside the Philippines. So why not, for this video, i-share natin yung departure procedure or yung step-by-step procedure from the airport going to your destination. Para sa mga solo travelers natin dyan and most especially sa mga first-time travelers. Let's go and let's start dito sa parking. Para sa mga may departure sa NAIA Terminal 3, merong multi-level parking dito. So, madalas dito talaga ako nagpa-park. Or kapag puno na, especially pag umaga yung flight, madalas puno dito eh. So, lumilipat lang ako ng park and fly. Kaya naman ako, minimum of 6 hours before ng flight, nasa terminal na ako para meron ako extra time na makahanap ng parking just in case na puno na dito sa multi-level. Not sure pero normally gumagana yung security scanning na yan from the parking. Pero ngayon, kailangan kong lumabas daw and as if galing talaga akong labas ng airport. So yan, ito yung labas ng airport. Pasok lang tayo sa nearest entrance and present nyo lang sa guard yung airline booking nyo. And yan, nasa loob na tayo ng NAIA Terminal 3. So, once nasa loob na ng airport, pwede mo nang hanapin yung check-in counter ng airline mo. Pero make sure na bago ka pumila is nabayaran mo na yung terminal fee amounting to 1,620 pesos as of February 2024. Pero just in case na hindi pa, don't worry kasi katulad nito, merong mga counter dyan para sa payment ng terminal fee. And based on my experience, mabilis naman yan. Kapag nasa check-in counter na, pila ka lang and prepare mo lang yung mga requirements like passport and airline ticket. And of course, dito natin i-weigh and i-check in yung mga bagahe natin. Kaya make sure na within the weight limit siya kasi mahal kapag nag-exceed. Once okay na, bibigyan ka nila ng boarding pass. Next is immigration guys, kung saan marami natatakot. Charot! Prepare nyo na yung passport nyo, boarding pass, and make sure na nakapag-register na kayo sa e-travel. After ng immigration and security checks, pwede nang makahinga guys. Kung napagod nagutom kayo sa mga pinagdaanan, don't worry guys kasi merong mga restaurants and shops before mag-proceed ka sa boarding gate. And guys, kung gusto nyo ng mas coffee, mag-relax with food, try nyo yung mga airline lounge sa Terminal 3. Pero meron tayong separate video for that. It's boarding time, so don't forget to check your boarding pass for your boarding gate and time. And finally, boarding on the plane. And syempre, check nyo din sa boarding pass kung ano ang seat number. It's time to relax and enjoy the flight. Pagdating sa inyong destination, sundan nyo lang yung way going to immigration and prepare nyo na din yung passport, arrival card, and other supporting documents para at least kapag nasa line na kayo, mabilis na. After nun is yung customs if you have something to declare. And then lastly is to claim your baggage. That's it guys, and I hope that I was able to answer all your questions through this video. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions, especially yung mga first-time travelers or solo travelers dyan, message or comment lang kayo and sasagutin natin yan. Happy travels, everyone!